Hey everyone, Dr. Obina of the School of Healthy Lifestyle, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super important for your overall health, your gut. Let us 5 evidence-based, science-backed hacks that can boost your gut health in just 7 days. That's right, you don't need fancy supplements or crazy diets to make a difference. We're talking about simple, actionable changes you can start implementing today. Remember, a healthy gut means a healthier you. Stick around till the end for a special announcement about a free gut healing meal plan. It's packed with delicious and easy to make recipes that will nourish your gut from the inside out. Let's kick things off with fermented foods. You've probably heard of them: yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut. But do you know why they're so good for you? It's all about the good bacteria or probiotics they contain. Think of your gut like a balanced garden. A healthy gut is teeming with diverse, beneficial bacteria that help with everything from digestion to immunity. But sometimes, this delicate balance gets thrown off by things like stress, poor diet, or even certain medications. That's where fermented foods come in. They're like superhero reinforcements for your gut. These foods undergo a process called fermentation, where natural bacteria feed on the sugars and starches, creating lactic acid. This process not only preserves the food, but also produces those amazing probiotics we're after. Probiotics are like tiny warriors that fight off the bad bacteria in your gut, restoring balance and promoting a healthy environment. They help break down food, absorb nutrients, and even support your immune system. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but how do I actually eat this stuff? It's easier than you think. Start by incorporating a small serving of fermented foods into your daily diet. A dollop of yogurt with breakfast, a side of kimchi with your lunch, or some sauerkraut on your sandwich are all great ways to introduce these gut-friendly foods. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, try kefir, kombucha, or even natto. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to gut health. Making fermented foods a regular part of your diet can make a world of difference in how you feel. Trust me, your gut will thank you for it. All right, let's talk about something we all know is important, but often don't prioritize enough: hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for your overall health. But did you know it plays a vital role in your gut health too? Think of your digestive system like a water slide. For everything to flow smoothly, you need a good amount of water to keep things moving. Water helps soften your stool, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. But that's not all. Water also helps maintain the mucosal lining of your intestines. This lining is like a protective barrier that prevents harmful substances from leaking into your bloodstream. Keeping it hydrated ensures it can do its job effectively. Proper hydration also helps balance the good and bad bacteria in your gut. When you're dehydrated, it can disrupt this balance, leading to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria and potentially causing digestive issues. So, how much water should you be drinking? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, but listen to your body and adjust based on your activity level and climate. Here's a pro tip: carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go. It's a visual reminder to stay hydrated throughout the day. Plus, it's eco-friendly. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to support your gut health. So, drink up and experience the difference. Now let's talk about prebiotics. You've probably heard of probiotics, but prebiotics are like their lesser known but equally important sidekick. Think of them as the food that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Probiotics are the live bacteria themselves, while prebiotics are types of dietary fiber that your body can't digest Instead, they travel to your lower digestive tract, where they act as fuel for the beneficial bacteria already living there. In other words, prebiotics help the good guys thrive. And when your good bacteria thrive, so does your gut health. So where can you find these gut-boosting prebiotics? They're actually found in a variety of delicious and readily available foods. Bananas, oats, apples, asparagus, onions, garlic. These are just a few examples of prebiotic-rich foods you can easily incorporate into your diet. Try starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with sliced bananas, or snack on apple slices with almond butter. You can also add onions and garlic to your savory dishes for a flavor boost and a prebiotic punch. Remember, feeding your gut with prebiotics is essential for maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria. So, load up on those prebiotic-rich foods and give your gut the fuel it needs to thrive. You know, I love talking about the mind-body connection. And when it comes to gut health, it's a two-way street. Stress can wreak havoc on your gut. But did you know that simple breathwork exercises can actually help calm your nervous system and improve your digestion? It's true. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, diverting blood flow away from your digestive system. This can lead to indigestion, bloating, and other digestive discomforts. But deep, controlled breathing helps activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the rest and digest response. This calms your body down, allowing your digestive system to function optimally. One simple breathwork exercise you can try is called diaphragmatic breathing or belly breathing. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your abdomen expand like a balloon. Hold your breath for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your abdomen contract. Practice this for 5 to 10 minutes daily, especially when you're feeling stressed or before meals. You'll be amazed at how much calmer and more centered you feel, both mentally and physically. We're wrapping things up with a crucial aspect of overall health that often gets overlooked: sleep. We all know getting enough sleep is important, but did you know it's directly linked to your gut health? You see, your gut has its own internal clock or circadian rhythm, just like your sleep-wake cycle. When these rhythms are in sync, your gut can function optimally, but when they're out of whack, it can disrupt your digestion and overall gut health. Lack of sleep or poor sleep quality can mess with your gut's motility, the rhythmic contractions that move food through your digestive tract. This can lead to constipation, diarrhea, and other digestive issues. Not only that, but sleep deprivation can also increase inflammation in your gut, making you more susceptible to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. So, how can you sync your sleep for better gut health? It's all about establishing a regular sleep-wake cycle. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural rhythm. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body it's time to wind down. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool for optimal sleep. Remember, prioritizing sleep is like giving your gut a much-needed break to rest, repair, and recharge. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and watch your gut health flourish. So, there you have it. 5 science-backed hacks to boost your gut health in just 7 days. Remember, a healthy gut is within your reach, and these simple changes can make a world of difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming free gut healing meal plan. Gut health, health hacks, wellness. It's packed with delicious and easy to make recipes that will nourish your gut from the inside out. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own.